Hello friends, welcome to our company Proveg Engineering and Food Processing Private Limited. Today in our factory, Mr. Cedric from African continent, country named Nigeria, has come to our factory to visit the fish feed machine. He is in our factory and he is looking the trial on our factory. So we will just have a chat with Mr. Cedric about the machine, about the factory, everything. So let's have a talk to the Mr. Cedric directly. As you can see in the video, the machine is of 50 kg per hour. The machine runs with the power of 7.5 HP main motor, and in feeder we use half HP motor, and also in cutting we use half HP motor. This machine can make 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, any kind of fish feed with all configuration like 20 protein, 5 fat, 24 protein, 28 protein, 32 protein. So all kind of feed this machine can make. Now we are just going to the Mr. Cedric. We will have a chat with him. Mr. Cedric, welcome to our factory.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming to our factory.
Thank you very much.
So how did you find our machineries? Is it compatible?
Yes. Immediately I enter here, by what I saw here, I feel comfortable because I saw the solid materials you are using. I saw the solid materials you are using for all the works, the floating machine, and even other areas you took me to. The exploder and all the qualities is very nice, very okay, very okay. I saw it well, and I would like to see everything so that I can forward it to my partner in Africa. Yes.
So how did you find our factory, sir? How did you find Proveg company for this fish feed machines?
Yes, a friend introduced me from Delhi, from New Delhi. Yes. So they introduced me with different companies, many companies. But I find comfortable in this company. Immediately, and that is the reason why I decided to come. And when I entered here, I feel comfortable. Because of the kind of the machines I saw here, it's exact what I need. And the quality of the materials you are using is good. So that is why I feel comfortable.
So the fish feed which you will make, will it be used for yourself or you will resell the feed at your country?
No, we are using it we want to set up a small scale industry. Feed manufacturing industry, poultry feed manufacturing industry, and we will manufacture the feeds and we will use it because we have a farm, we have a poultry farm. So as we manufacture, we use it and we also sell the excess quantity. Yes.
So my question is that do you have raw materials in your country? Like which country you will install the machine?
We are going to install the machine in Nigeria, in Africa. Yes, precisely eastern part of Nigeria. Okay. Yes.
So you have any machine in Nigeria right now, or like?
No. This is the beginning.
This is the beginning.
And I believe that we are going to do a lot of things with you, with your company. From what I'm seeing, if you give me your best quality, we are going to do something.
So the thing is that, sir, whenever the person is coming from the outside, we would like to ensure you that we can make a special machine for you also.
Okay.
So long life machineries, like the part here, the machinery, there is a screw and a barrel. So we can make you a good machine or a customized machine for you, sir, so that you will never need a service from our side, sir. It will be long lasting. So we can make it for you, sir. And anything else you want to tell about our company, about our machineries to your viewers?
Well, what I will say is that I think, like as I said before, what I saw here makes me comfortable, and I believe that we are going to go far with your company.
Thank you, sir.
If your company, if what I see here is not okay, for a long time I should have left. I will not spend more than 1 hour here. I will go back. But because I feel comfortable because of the machines I see here, and the production, and the thickness of the irons and everything is authentic. So I believe we are going to do something better in the future.
Okay. Now I will like to show you the machinery one by one. Just come here. So now this machine which is running is of 50 kg per hour.
Okay.
50 kg feed per hour this machine can make.
Okay.
And for making the feed,
Okay.
you have to use a raw material like maize.
Okay.
You know maize, corn,
Yes.
wheat flour.
Okay.
Then you have to use soybean meal.
Okay.
Soybean, you know.
Okay.
Then you have to use mustard cake.
Okay.
You have to use fish meal,
Okay.
bone meal,
Okay.
meat meal.
Okay.
All these more raw materials. First of all, you have to grind. You have to grind. Like you have to mix and grind. First of all,
Okay.
you have to make a powder.
Okay. After that, mix.
Yeah. So this is the grinder. Okay. This you can see is the grinder.
Okay.
Okay. By using this grinder, we can make a fine powder of the all our raw materials.
Okay.
After getting the fine powder, we will mix the water in the powder. We will moisture it with 15 to 18% moisture.
Okay.
It in India, and in your country we'll check. Okay. Further, after mixing the water, we'll put this material in this hopper. You know. This is the final raw material after mixing the water.
Okay.
As you can see, this is the fine raw material after mixing the water.
Okay.
Now, this machine is using 3 motors.
Okay.
One is the main motor,
Okay.
which is rotating this barrel.
Okay.
This is the main heart of the system.
Okay.
In this, there is a barrel, and inside that there is a screw.
Okay.
I will like to show you screw and barrel. Screw barrel leka.
But this one is not working.
That is one motor.
But it's not working now.
It is working.
Okay.
It is working. You can see it is working. This is the feeder motor. This is the feeder hopper, and from here the powder is coming here. This is the feeder motor, and here one motor is there. This is for the cutting, cutting the feed into different sizes. Like as you can see, this is the kind of feed this machine is making.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, they have a very heavy feed. Okay, this is the screw.
Okay.
This is the screw which is inside of this barrel.
Okay.
This is the kind of screw we are making.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the heart of the system.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you can make 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm. Any size of feed you can make, sir. Like this is, right now this is 3 mm. 3 mm in size.
Okay.
Okay. You can make 4 mm, 5 mm, 2 mm and 1 mm.
Okay.
And similarly, if you want to make different recipe like 20 protein, 22 protein, 24 protein, 30 protein, any kind of feed you can make from this machine, sir.
What is the difference? How will it? What is the something that will define the sizes?
Sizes, you will have different dies.
Okay.
I need to show you dies. I will show you. You need to change the die here, and you can make different size of feed.
Okay.
I will show you all dies. And similarly, for making a different quality of feed, you need to change the recipe.
Okay.
So we will give you all recipes.
Okay.
So you can change the recipe and you can make different kind of feeds. Yeah.
Where is the recipe?
Recipe I will provide you or by email or by WhatsApp. I will provide you. Yeah. Because recipe is the main part.
Okay.
Because when we are making the feed, we must know what kind of feed we want to make, what protein we want, what fat we want, so that we need to check. I hope this much of information is not enough for you. You need to have all this in a particular document. We'll provide you a document. In this all things we will write. Like what is the recipe, how we can make.